Hello children, good morning. Children, today we are going to learn the next properties of acids. What are the next properties of acids? Today we are going to learn chapter acids, bases and salts, class 10th class by Krishna. Children, so what are the properties of acids with metals? We learnt already in the previous class. Do you understand, children? So what are the properties of chemical properties of acids with the metals? I think you understood. You have understood. So students, reactions of acids with carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates. This is the next property of acids. So what is metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates? So metal carbonate means sodium carbonate, calcium carbonate, magnesium carbonate. These all are the metal carbonates. Actually, metal hydrogen carbonate. Say for an example, metal hydrogen carbonate is the sodium hydrogen carbonate. I mean sodium bicarbonate. NaHCO3. So these are the metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates. But how these metal carbonates and hydrogen carbonates are reacting with acids? Now let us learn. So children, so we have to do one small experiment, small activity to understand the reaction of acids with carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates. So what are the materials required? What are the materials required? Okay, children. So retort stand, retort stand is required, and test tube is we required, and delivery tube, um, thistle funnel. So and sodium carbonate, yes, Na2CO3, sodium carbonate powder we have taken. Next one is sodium hydrogen carbonate, that means sodium bicarbonate, NaHCO3. So dilute hydrochloric acid. So these are the materials, children. These materials are required to do our activity, our activity or our experiment. So our experiment is reactions of acids with carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates. Okay children, so now look at screen. Now let's do the activity. Now. So procedure, what's the procedure here? Take two test tubes and label them as A and B. Children, we should take two test tubes. These are the two test tube. One test tube, this is the test tube A, labeled with A. Another test tube is labeled with B. So this test tube labeled A test tube is 0.5 m. We should take 0.5 grams of sodium carbonate in A test tube and 0.5 grams of sodium bicarbonate, I mean metal hydrogen carbonate, in the B test tube. So what happening? So we have to take 0.5 grams of sodium carbonate, Na2CO3 in test tube A, and take 0.5 grams of sodium hydrogen carbonate, NaHCO3, sodium bicarbonate, in test tube B. So what is sodium carbonate? Na2CO3 means its general name is washing powder, and washing soda or otherwise, and sodium bicarbonate is its general name. The general name of the sodium bicarbonate is baking soda. So baking powder, baking soda, this is both are the metal carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonate. So now here, so let's take, we have to take one test tube, one retort stand. This is the retort stand. This retort stand is fixed with one test tube, and this test tube is fixed with two-hole rubber cock and one thistle funnel. This is the thistle funnel, and this is the delivery tube. And we should insert this thistle funnel and delivery tube to the test tube. Already the test tube is either A or B. Let me take A test tube with sodium carbonate powder. Add 2 ml of dilute hydrochloric acid. To this. This is the dilute hydrochloric acid. We have to add through the thistle funnel into this test tube. Now this is the dilute hydrochloric acid and and sodium carbonate powder. Now what happening? There is a reaction takes place. So what's the reaction? Sodium dilute hydrochloric acid is reacts with this sodium carbonate powder and forms the gas and liberates the gas. That gas is past the gas produced in each case through lime water. Like lime water means calcium hydroxide solution in separate test tube. Suppose this is the separate test tube with lime water. What happening? What we have seen? Look at screen. See, as for children, look at screen. What do you observe? Yes, we observe. So this lime water turns into milky white. Yeah, is it right? Yes, this is right. So in this activity, some gas is liberated. That gas is liberated and passing through the delivery tube, and whenever we should insert the lime water test tube to the delivery tube, what happened? Immediately this is the lime water is turns into milky white color. So this liberated gas is now we can named as carbon dioxide. Yes, that is the carbon dioxide gas is liberated because the what is the test for carbon dioxide? Do you know, children? Yeah, what is the test? Test is if the gases turns the lime water into milky white, such gas is the carbon dioxide. But here what happening? In this experiment, so the lime water is turns into milky white. That's why the acid reacts with metal carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonates and liberates the carbon dioxide gas. That means in this experiment, carbon dioxide gas is evolved. Carbon dioxide gas is liberated. Okay, do you understand, children? So now then CO2 gas changed the lime water to milky white. Here the milky white happened, so the lime water is turns into milky white. That's why this gas is the carbon dioxide gas. So from this experiment we can conclude that so the carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates reacts with acids and liberates carbon dioxide gas and other materials. What are the other materials? Let me explain now. Suppose this is the reaction takes place between the metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates and hydrochloric acid, acids. So the reactions occurring above activity as follows. So here this is the metal carbonate, sodium carbonate solid reacts with two molecules of hydrochloric acid aqua solution, gives rise to sodium chloride aqua and water liquid and carbon dioxide gas. This gas is, in our experiment, this gas CO2 gas turns the lime water into milky white. Okay, do you understand? So the remaining products are here, the remaining products sodium chloride and water. So that means and in the similar manner sodium bicarbonate, sodium hydrogen carbonate reacts with hydrochloric acid and forms the salt NaCl and water H2O plus CO2 gas. This evolved gas, here in this reaction, this evolved gas is passing through the lime water. What's the lime water formula, students? Yes, this lime water formula is calcium hydroxide aqua solution. That is lime water or lime water calcium hydroxide solution. This solution turns into calcium carbonate, that is white color precipitate, and water. Okay, this, do you understand, children? So this is the reaction takes place in our experiment, in our activity. Okay, next one is the here. So from above activities you can conclude that the reaction of metal carbonates and hydrogen carbonates with acid give a corresponding salt, carbon dioxide, and water. Okay, already we learnt it. We can write the generalized form of these chemical reactions. What are the generalized formula? Metal carbonate and acid gives rise to salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. In the similar manner, metal hydrogen carbonate plus acid gives rise to salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. Okay, so children, this is the concept of reaction of acids with metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates, children. Now, and remaining in the next course, we have to do some another concepts in salts, acids, bases, salts. We have to make the crash course, brief concepts we will discuss in this next coming video. Until then, stay tuned to my channel. Thank you for watching.